Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Usually, the flames of forest fires are carried by the wind, but if it is too strong, it can cause incredible weather events. The heat rises into the sky and a fiery tornado forms. They say that the danger of whirlpools is somewhat exaggerated, but when you look at this funnel, it seems that you need to stay away from it. Eyewitnesses of what is happening should find a safer place for themselves, because fragments of roofs and structures can be dangerous to health and life. The tornado remains one of the terrifying examples of extreme natural phenomena, twisting, writhing like a snake, it destroys durable and demolishes light structures.
And there goes a trash can. There goes a house of some sort.
A tornado can lift objects into the air, sucking them into a funnel, and then throw them to the surface from a great height. It's scary to even think that it can move burning debris and provoke a fire somewhere else. Do not underestimate the destructive power of water. During a flood, it is capable of bringing down an entire bridge. Due to abnormal weather events, real disasters often occur, for example, this fire in a pyrotechnics warehouse. Hopes that light objects would remain in place in such weather very quickly evaporated. Rockfalls can be very dangerous when climbing in the mountains. If you get under it, then ideally, you need to press against a wall under a ledge that can minimize injuries. Considering that lightning is an electric atmospheric discharge, it can cause a fire or provoke an explosion. Increasingly, landslides, rockfalls, mudslides are caused not by natural causes, but by human activities in mountainous areas. Everyone knows that lightning often strikes trees, and yet when it happens in the immediate vicinity, an adrenaline rush is provided.
Oh, shit! Holy shit, that tree just got hit right there. Holy shit, I hope I got it.
A flash flood caused by heavy rain swept away a car and almost caused a tragedy. Floods cause enormous damage because the flow of water fills the entire space and destroys everything in its path. Usually, when the wind reaches a speed of 20 meters per second, it is able to tear tiles from roofs. Just by looking at these video frames, you can understand why many people believe that a tornado is the most terrible and dangerous natural phenomenon for all life on Earth. Such vortices are called dusty and sandy because during their rotation they raise dust, sand, small stones and earth. The driver of the car thinks too slowly about his further actions, but in such cases seconds play a significant role. Do you also think that the residents are used to local peculiarities and weather phenomena? They are able to assess the situation sensibly and behave in accordance with the level of danger. The first moment when people feel an earthquake, they panic, but despite this they do the right thing by running out into the open space. As a rule, tornadoes are destroyed before reaching the shore, but if they do come ashore, they can be very dangerous. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.